Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can make unlimited AI video for free. So the first step, you need to search for the website, that is Halo AI, and open that website and click on the first website. So once you are on that website, you need to log in into your website and create your account. Once you create in here, you can see that all the videos I created with the help of this tool. So you simply need to give here a prompt, a laptop on a chair. You can give prompt up to you, so I'm going to give a simple prompt and you need to hit here and it will start creating your video. Here you can see that, but as you can see that it is a free tool, so it took up to 7 minutes to create your video and it will create 5-second videos. And if you want, you can select that and you need to click here on this download button to download that video, and in 7 minutes it will create your video. And here you can see I created different videos with this tool. So this is the process that you need to follow to make unlimited AI video for free. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you, have a good day.